Guys, been looking forward to seeing that. Welcome to Brisbane. Guys, I could spend a fortune in these Aussie gift shops. Look at those beach towels, 24 bucks. Everything that you want. Kangaroos, cruising koalas. To another video. Welcome to the channel, and this is day 9. We're still in Southport. This morning it's pouring of rain, and today is the 15th of April 2025. Come and join us on another amazing video. We're going to take you guys up to Brisbane and check out the city and maybe some other special places too. It's going to be good. I'm sure that beautiful view will come back shortly again, and you can already see actually over the ocean it's starting to break up, and once this passes through I'm sure we'll get some beautiful sunshine again. But yeah, start of the day, raining heavy, and there we go. Half an hour later we've got beautiful sunshine. It's now an absolute fabulous morning in Southport. Welcome to Southbank, Brisbane. Coming up to 10 AM. It's a beautiful day. The beautiful bougainvillea. We're close to Streets Beach. And just check that out, look at that. You can come to the beautiful beach here. And the city of Brisbane directly behind. We've got the City Cat heading up and down the river there. So the next one, we've got all the kids in the pool, so I can't really film you around there, but you can see beautiful city behind. And we're going to continue walking through the bougainvillea. There's the good old Plough Inn. Wonderful pub. Beautiful little cafes and restaurants, and check out the Ibis this morning. All having a good time. I just love Southbank Parklands. I'm just walking through and enjoying the bougainvillea and people watching. It's amazing. Got the Express Fun Train. You get all things to eat there. $6 for kids, $8 per adult. You can have plenty of fun. Check out that bougainvillea. That's stunning. Continuing to walk this way, we're coming towards the The Brisbane Eye, I think it's called. We'll be checking that out shortly. I'll correct myself, it's called the Wheel of Brisbane. And there we go, look at that. Went on that years and years ago. So ticket price is $23, children 19. And that's for a sky-high experience. Here's the new bridge that we're going to walk over and into the city. A good shot of the Wheel of Brisbane there. Let's head across this brand new beautiful bridge. That's a wonderful view. City of Brisbane. It's amazing how the skyline is just constantly changing. Look at that, wow. We can get to walk over the new bridge here for us. When we were here last year it was still closed, so yeah, some wonderful views. Out towards the river and to the left there is going to be Kangaroo Cliffs, Kangaroo Point. I think we've reached about the middle of the bridge there. And yeah, Glenn's enjoying the filming in the city of Brisbane today. Looking back there, we've got the Wheel of Brisbane. Getting a little bit cloudy, a bit of storm on the south of the city. That building is, I don't know if it still works, as the weather station. So you've got the casino right there in Brisbane. Right, we've reached the city side of the bridge. And when we look up, it's pretty fab. Look at that, big bridge connecting two buildings there. Got some beautiful buildings over here. We've got the Heritage Hotel, Treasury Heritage Hotel in front. And over there, the Museum of Queensland and Convict History. Oh, so good to be in the city of Brisbane today. It's definitely getting pretty warm now. Beautiful skies. Look at this, 10,000 miles away here in Brisbane, and we've got Queen Victoria. She's been standing proud there here in Brisbane since 1906. And we've got Thomas Joseph Ryan, who was the Premier of Queensland 1915 to 1919. And then we're on George Street, but we are about to turn on the Queen Street Mall. What a beautiful day to be walking down Queen Street here in central Brisbane. Look at those beautiful old buildings. That's a beautiful building, 1929, the York. Oh, just look at the detail there. Wow. Just check out all the souvenir shops down here. Glynn's looking at one already there. Going to get really, really busy here today. And look at that, my favourite shoe shop, Skechers. Normally make a visit over there in California maybe. Now look at these buildings, the Carlton Hotel. Wow. And then up here we've got the Telegraph Newspaper Company Limited. So nice. Hungry Jack's down on the right hand side in a spectacular building. I wonder how much money is going to be spent here in the CBD today. Plenty of shoppers out. Maybe a lot of tourists from around the world. And yeah, we've got Jack's on the corner, Optus across the road, and Off Your Tree across the road there, just next to Telstra. We've got no empty shops around here, a little bit different than Hanley where we live, eh? The Brisbane Arcade, that looks really nice there. At 160 Queen Street. H&M down on the corner. And we've got Zara over there. Pretty much everything. The old Regent, look at this, the Regent building. Look at all the beautiful butterflies up there. We just heard the bells a little bit there. Look at this, this is wonderful, isn't it? This is Winter Garden here in the CBD. Right then, we just had a little catch up with Louise. So, Tim and Roz, if you're watching, it was about a 5 or 6 minute chat, but real good catch up there. And we're going to head now back up the Queen Street Mall. We've got a pretty heavy rainstorm coming through, but we are undercover here, and as you can see, everyone's making a dash for it. And look at them all taking shelter under Hungry Jack's there. Look at the old National Bank of Australia there. Public Safe Deposit. Check this out, everyone's walking. So they're shaded, well not shaded, but covered from the rain there. Pretty busy in Brisbane today. You can see where we come in, the new bridge was to the right hand side there. That's an amazing building with the walkway there. So during Expo of '88, what we're looking at there is Stephen's Needle. And after the morning commute, everyone's zooming along there. So we're currently walking across the Victoria Bridge back to Southbank. A good shot of the new bridge that we walked from the wheel of Brisbane into the city there. The city cat, I don't think we're going to have time to do all that again this year. We had great memories years and years ago when we took the city cat up and down the river. Now looking at the city dog. And look at them guys, they're having a pretty wonderful time. Going to be enjoying the sights of Brisbane. Look at Glynn there with his Aussie hat on. Loving the filming in Queensland today. Okay, so we walked all the way from the Queen Street Mall. Beautiful day now, all that rain's passed. And down there is the selfie sign for Brisbane. And that was closed off last year, all the grass area. So I think you can get maybe a quick selfie there. And we'll head back into Southbank. These are the new buses here in Brisbane. I thought they were double deckers, but they're not. Or I guess they're fully electric and they're currently in testing now. So that's what you're going to be seeing Brisbane in the future. Guys, been looking forward to seeing that. Welcome to Brisbane. Really enjoyed the walk across the new bridge and into the city, Queen Street Mall. Saying hello to Louise. It's so far been really good. A little bit of rain, but now again, an absolute beautiful day. This European settlement occurred along the river opposite this site in 1825, and just look at those old settlements there. And I think you guys will probably confirm Brisbane's a whole lot different. You can see that's where the casino is, and I'll show you the casino now. So if you picture, that's what Brisbane used to look like in 1835. Ready? 2025. And in the middle there is the casino. There we go. That's what Brisbane looks like now. Good shot of the Bougainvillea, beautiful blue skies, lovely grass area, and the cafes. Here comes the express train. What a wonderful way to travel around Southbank. Guys, I could spend a fortune in these Aussie gift shops. Look at those beach towels, 24 bucks. Everything that you want. Kangaroos, roos and koalas, 3 for 18 bucks. Umbrellas, hats. Everything you want. T-shirts, 2 for $60. I like that one. Southbank, Brisbane. Right then, no trip to Brisbane without coming up to Mount Cootha. Let's go and check it out. Last time we were here, we had a big piece of lamington cake. And it was absolutely amazing. There we go, Mount Cootha Summit Lookout. Right, I think this could be my favourite place in Brisbane. And I think you can see why. Just look at the wonderful view. So let's go 5 times zoom. And what an amazing view. See Brisbane. So if we go to the middle of the screen there, you can see the wheel of Brisbane and where we've walked across this morning. Brisbane Airport, let's have a look at Brisbane Airport. BNE is going to be around about there. That's going to be Brisbane International Airport. Looking there at Mount Gravatt. And towards Cleveland. And then going to be behind that is going to be heading down towards the Gold Coast. In the middle, I'm reckoning, if you can see it on the camera, there's like sand dunes. That's going to be Moreton Island. And as we go to the right of Brisbane, that's got to be Stradbroke Island. And a beautiful shot of the Brisbane River. I'm guessing Runcorn is going to be around about there. Just look at the beautiful trees, the gum trees of Australia. You can see where we're looking there is out towards the Great Dividing Range. And of course that will be New South Wales. Yep, it sure is beautiful. So lucky, so glad we've been able to come to Queensland again. And again, a great view. City of Brisbane. So nice up here. Right then, another wonderful day comes to an end. We've had an absolute fabulous time here on the Gold Coast. Today, had a lovely day up in Brisbane City and good catch up with some fabulous friends. So, hope you've enjoyed the shorter video today. But if you have, of course, give me a thumbs up, drop me some comments, subscribe to the channel. Join us on the next day. Tomorrow we're heading back down to Sydney. Going to show you all the fabulous sights of Sydney. And unfortunately, it is our last day in Australia. See all you guys soon.